Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best running shoes to the test. No fluff, no sugar coating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of top 5 running shoes. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. Brooks Women's Ghost 13. The Brooks Women's Ghost 13 are the best running shoes for women who run on the road and cross-train. Its custom cushioning keeps you comfortable while also maintaining durability. The DNA loft extends to the forefoot so that every step is seamless. Best of all, it does all this without being bulky. The 3D fit print helps the shoe fit on your foot like a sock. The neutral support type provides high energizing cushioning. Ideal for road running, cross-training, the gym, or wherever you might want to take them. Balanced, soft cushioning. Biomogo DNA and DNA Loft cushioning work together to provide a just right softness underfoot without losing responsiveness and durability, yet it feels lighter than ever. Smooth, stable ride. No matter how your foot lands, our segmented crash pad, an integrated system of shock absorbers, will cushion every step and stride for smooth heel-to-toe transitions. The Ghost 13 is for runners looking for a reliable shoe that's soft and smooth. The Ghost 13 offers improved transitions for zero distractions so you can focus more on what matters most, your run. This Brooks Ghost 13 is a certified PTAC A5500 diabetic shoe and has been granted the APMA seal of acceptance. Number 2. Under Armour Men's Running Shoe. Take your shoes from the gym to happy hour with these stylish knit trainers. A soft, stretchy IntelliKnit upper gives you a breathable, sock-like feel. The shoe itself is neutral, meaning it's perfect for runners who need a balance of flexibility and cushioning. A Speedform 2.0 sock liner gives underfoot support, and hover cushioning reduces impact. A heel counter and firm panels give your feet a supportive hug to help you beat your mile time. 4E sizing is built to better fit athletes with extra wide feet. Neutral, for runners who need a balance of flexibility and cushioning. Lightweight mesh upper with 3-color digital print delivers complete breathability. Durable leather overlays for stability and that lock in your midfoot. EVA sock liner provides soft, step-in comfort. Number 3. Brooks Men's Running Shoe. Overprenators can run safely without having to adjust how they hit the road. Rather than trying to fix your gait, these running shoes give you the stability and support you need to offset the effect of rolling your feet inward when they land. The guide rails support system keeps your feet properly positioned while protecting your knees, hips, and joints from injury. These do well for road runners, as the DNA Loft crash pad cushions your feet while not making the shoes any bulkier. Runners who need a perfect blend of support, cushion, flexibility, and reliability. The modernized, streamlined design satisfies runners who crave a low-profile look. Provides just the right amount of stability and support, great for overpronation while providing high-energizing cushioning. Ideal for road running, cross-training, the gym, or wherever you might want to take them. Predecessor, Adrenaline GTS 19. The DNA Loft crash pad cushions each footfall and works with Biomogo DNA to adapt to your every stride. Number 4. Adidas Men's Light Racer BYD Shoes. Wearing these might be the next best thing to running with just your socks on. These Adidas running shoes are made of snug, stretchy mesh, ensuring your feet will breathe easily while you're jogging in them. The Ortho Light sock liner, as well as cloud foam midsoles and outsoles, increases the comfort factor. When these men's running shoes get dirty, you can throw them into the washing machine, but after the gentle cycle is complete, air drying is recommended. About this item. Stretch mesh upper for breathability. Combine cloud foam midsole and outsole for step-in comfort and superior cushioning. Enjoy the comfort and performance of Ortho Light sock liner. Sock-like construction hugs the foot. Materials: synthetic upper, sole, synthetic sole, support, neutrals, additional widths, NA. Number 5. New Balance Men's Running Shoe. When thinking about fit, width matters as much as length. Runners with wide feet need more spacious shoes that won't cramp them. These men's running shoes come in US sizes 4 to 14, with 7 different widths, ranging from extra narrow to extra wide. It has a foam midsole and flex grooves to provide both a comfortable and protective fit. Choose from among 9 colors to align with your personal style. About this item. Fresh Foam's innovative midsole is created from a single piece of foam that provides a plush, more natural ride. Booty construction. Engineered mesh. Blown rubber outsole. No-sew material application. Specs. Materials. Synthetic upper. Sole, rubber. Support, neutral. Additional widths, extra narrow to extra wide. Pros. No-sew application. Cushioned. Variety of sizes. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.